Read the instruction so you know.
There's instructions inside.
Yeah.
And there's tape on my hands, too. I have no homework because I did it at school.
Okay, that's good.
Instructions. Can I get the key? So... the white, like... I don't know. Some just didn't go. Why does this feel hot? I don't know.
Take out everything from the...
Like a platform. And then I can put whatever that is and whatever this is.
I think you need a battery.
Yes, it does. And whatever that
We have
is.
battery?
Yes, we do.
Okay. I mean, there's a battery there.
Okay,
No.
stop. But I like the cream. Eat yellow. No. Yellow, somebody random. Okay. Gotta paste it. And black to use the, like that one. So good thing they're long boards, because I can do almost. Okay. Now, so like, I don't know what they mean by lights. They have like this. I don't know if that's even a button. So like, yeah, like, how do you use it? Does this like a speed up? Okay, so strobe light and sound. I wonder if they're using about, yeah, it's this strobe sound. The LED D6. Which one of these are D6? Oh, this is no, none of these are. Oh.
I got Naruto, then got Spider-Man.
And I'm sus.
Now you know the Spider-Man is in my desk.
Put this over here. I know, I always saw that. Spider-Man over there. Put that over there. Okay. The batteries faced this way.
See, the Spider-Man. You get that?
Okay. This one went on pretty Oh, wait, it's not 3. It's a 5. And then I get this one. Yeah, this is just, it's a this one. Put this one over here. We need other ones. Okay. Wait, this one makes sounds. Okay, I know it makes sounds. Huh. Again. Okay. Okay, here's 3 dots. Okay, that's the last 3 dots over here. This one's under it. And then the not that battery. Like another 2.
What you gonna do though?
I don't know. What's this weird? I'm pretty sure it's this one. Say, what are you doing? Ah! Yep, that's the same. I don't know what they put this one. The red one goes on here, and the black one goes over here.
And then add the battery.
The arm's over here.
There's another one battery. You need the one
It's on
battery.
the floor. I didn't even hear it thump. It doesn't seem to have a
Okay,
lid.
power on.
Power. Make this go. Does it go up on here? I guess. Still makes the same sound. That makes something random. Yeah. I dropped it. So, I wonder what it means by lights. So I'm gonna put that back on and put these back on again.